Hey guys, today let's learn how you can open an online account in Chase Bank. For that, launch your browser. At the top search bar, type in chase.com and then you will get landed onto its official website. Once it is so, if you scroll below under choose what's right for you, you will see various types of accounts that you can open, including checking, travel, savings, and home loan. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with this checking right here. Click onto the specific account that you would like to open and wait for this to load. And likewise, under checkings, there are various types as well. You may go ahead and select one according to your preference and click on Open Now. And now at this section under Let's Open Your Chase Total Checking Account, make sure that you fill out all this information. Like, are you an existing Chase customer? Click Yes if you are. Click No if you're not a customer. And then click Get Started. Now, in order to open an account, they will be needing your full name, like your first name, last name, your middle name if you have any, and your suffix. Once you do all that, click on to Next, and this line should be up to here. Once then, you will be able to sign up and open an account for your Chase Bank. Just like so, guys, thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.